back with you for another Madden Mobile video. So let's get straight into it. And if you're ever wondering what I'm recording with, recorded by Mo Bison. This isn't down in the bottom right corner. You might have to look closely. So today I might buy a pro pack for you guys. If I didn't even have a YouTube career, then I wouldn't even be buying a pro pack. So I probably will, and everything is 1 stamina. So I'm going to go to my team, view items. This is what I have. Got a game changer pack. 300, that's nothing. Game changer pack again. Ooh, a 69 Sam Bradford, okay. I'm not going to put him in my team because my team was 84 and a half. 88 overall elite. Pretty good player. So this stuff is nothing, like, honestly, pack is nothing.